Move your feet and she'll do it.
Ella. Take that. You're going up.
There you go. She'll get them situated. Let her stand up long enough. Don't put your feet in the way, Liz. There you go. If she doesn't do it, it's okay. But I think she will if you let her get her feet straight. There we go. There we go.
Ready? Here's Ella. Oh, no.
The floppy baby. Don't tickle her, she's full. Alright, try one more time. You ready? You come to mama? Come to mama. Ella, come to mama. No, oh, she wants to get on her knees.